Well, lots of blue sky here so far in the early afternoon hours. That will be changing as we continue along. It will only take another few hours before we see a decent amount of clouds and eventually storms. But right now, again, all that sunshine has led to our temperature getting up to the 90-degree mark. At least today, we didn't get into the lower 90s in the early or the late morning hours. It took until the early afternoon. And checking out those temperatures, yes, everyone is now at the 90-degree mark or better for the most part until you get to the eastern panhandle of West Virginia. Then you cool down into the 80s just a bit. Heat index values not as bad as yesterday, but it is still sweltering up into the triple digits already in Charlestown and Germantown. 90s for everyone else, but still not enough for heat advisory criteria. So we do not have a heat advisory in place across the viewing area as we go through the day today. Like I mentioned, that satellite and radar picture is quiet, but already back into western Maryland and the eastern panhandle, we are talking about showers and storms firing up, and these will continue to develop and move their way to the east now as we continue through the afternoon and evening. So like I mentioned, the sunshine is around for now, but that will be changing later on, and those storms are firing right along this boundary that continues to sit right over the four-state region. The heat, the humidity, and this boundary are going to be the causes for our storms that we see as we continue on through the afternoon here today. So like I mentioned already here, yes, heat is fueling those storms this afternoon, and we could see a few stronger ones today, but severe storms are possible tomorrow with another storm system passing by to the north. And as we go toward the end of the week, we will see a slight drop back into the lower 90s. But like I mentioned, again, today we could see a few strong to severe storms. The main thing we'll watch for is any damaging winds. That is pretty much the key that we'll be keeping an eye on. And tomorrow, that chance is heightened just a bit more so as we're under a slight risk for severe weather. And again, there will be a greater chance for gusty winds with that tomorrow. So let's check it out here on Future Track. Again, those storms are already out there to our west. They will continue to build, eventually moving to the east as we go into the evening hours. Again, more of an isolated to scattered fashion as we move along. That wraps up after sunset. We'll have a quiet start to the day tomorrow with plenty of sunshine, but with that boundary nearby, look at the storms. They are going to be in a very linear fashion as they pass through the area tomorrow. Again, a few areas could see some damaging wind gusts with this tomorrow afternoon, but after that, once again, we will quiet things down as we go into your Wednesday evening and overnight. And then Thursday, that rain chance is going to decrease just a little bit as we continue along past that into the end of the week. So the next couple of days, we are keeping an eye on that chance for showers and storms as we continue along here. After that, though, we will eventually have those temperatures dropping down just a few degrees into your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with minimal rain chances by the weekend.